Hi everyone, on Avenue to Filipinas today. Got the beer garden just across the road there. Very great bar. Rumour has it, home to the best breakfast in Benidorm. Now that has been said by Grummet. Whether it's true or not, we yet to find out, guys. But they get their best place to get your euros change and I'll get cheap booze, to put it in simpler terms as well. Always a place we find ourselves going to if like it's New Year's Eve or Christmas Eve, or like we're having a bit of a party and just want some cheap boozing. One of the best places to go. And I'll show you another brilliant place to go, if they're open, hopefully. Florida Pasteleria, one of the best places to go. Hola Sara, ¿cómo está? Sí, mi amigo. Sí, lovely to see you. Florida Pasteleria, one of the best places to go. Homemade pies, homemade cakes, fresh baked products. And so Mike says the best pork pie in Benidorm, which I mean, if you know Mike, that's saying something. I mean, it's quite hard to the official album by me, Crazy Marcus. That's me, guys. Is out now with such brilliant songs as Benidorm Forever, Fiesta Forever, Christmas in Benidorm, EDM Dance Anthem, Benidorm Hardstyle Christmas, Fancy Dress Madness. Such great songs on this brilliant album, guys. Total of 10 songs for €10. Brilliant price, guys. Get it now. The link is down below. Perfect Christmas present, birthday present, whatever you want to give someone, it's the best gift to give. Benny Beats the album, guys. All made by Crazy Marcus, me. Best album ever. Oh, okay, it looks like the big shoe shop over on the corner there is having some major work done to it, guys. The question is though, will they reopen as a new bar or restaurant? We'll have to wait and see. From looking at it though, from what I can see from where I'm stood, it does actually look like there may potentially be a new bar opening in Benidorm. So, should be nice, yeah? Should have a fair bit of room in there as well. However, I'm seeing a red, white and blue flag on the wall. Is that the French flag, I think? Red, white and blue, I mean. I think that's the French flag or something, so could be a restaurant maybe, who knows? Maybe a French themed bar, if that is the right flag. I'm trying to remember my geography skills now. And
well, it is a flag markers. Look, it's on the wall there as well. Might just be the decoration.
yeah, but it's also a flag. I'm just trying to think what country. It's either, is it?
Yes.
You're positive?
Yes.
Guys, if we got this on, can you like drop a comment down below? Anyway, Red Lion won there. The idea with the Red Lion bars. always seems a bit mad in there, to say the least. I'm not going to put people off going in there. I will, however, just say be careful, guys. Be very careful. Calle Girona, just round there. Morgan's is just straight on that way, guys. Or should I have said Morgan Tavern, as it is supposedly called. A few bars that are shut for this season now are having a bit of refurb done, as you can see there. The Loch Ness pub looks like they're having some work done in there. So I can kind of imagine they may not be open for a while yet. Possibly March they'll be back open, I want to say. Fingers crossed. And of course, the Outback Bar reopens on Benidorm, Mike's birthday, 24th of January. Why are you cheering?
You want to take me in there?
No. I'm taking you somewhere else. A very nice bar,
I'm not going in that home yet.
very quiet bar, quite local to where we live. I say quite local to where we live, I mean very local to where we live. A very nice, friendly bar. Barker's Cocktail Bar. Save some money and, well, it saves some money and taking you on a night out. And if Mum helps me get a bit more booze in, hopefully, I'll be able to do a Benidorm Mike cocktail again.
We'll go for
Yeah, we'll probably go for a meal. Anyway, back on with the video. Philippines 10 there. Where? Mike, where on earth are you going? Philippines Tentacles part of Hotel Presidente, which, if you want to see how accessible it is, head over to Scooter Sue's channel. I do believe she has sort of film on the hotel, showing you how accessible it is, and even giving you an exclusive look around an accessible room in the Presidente. Behind the lobby there you have Hotel Arcos Gold and the Royal Arrow, as well as the Archers Lounge up above. Now, here's my question. Has anyone actually seen the Archers Lounge open? That is a good question, because I for sure haven't. So, going back to a previous video where I were on about Miller's Bar, the bar owned by Jaden Frank. Literally just on the road there. Got easy to find, really. And Joker's Bar there as well, Joker's nightclub. They will of course be back open for the Benny Soul party, the Benny Soul festivities. Gonna be absolute chaos when that takes place. Good time to end. So guys, hit the like if you haven't already done so. Consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to go check out my dad's channel, Benidorm Place, and of course my mum's channel, Benidorm Scooter Sue. Two absolute brilliant YouTube channels, but still I'd say I'm the best channel in Benidorm. even though people probably wouldn't agree. Love you all. Stay safe, guys. And as always, it's another day in the office. It's another day in paradise. And before I forget as well, Benny beats the album down below, and to pinch a term out of all kinds of outsides videos, if you can hear the sirens, that is, it's kicking off here in Benidorm. Just looks like an ambulance coming, so hopefully everything's okay.